In the vast tapestry of human history, many civilizations have risen and fallen, leaving behind remnants of their existence. While we often hear about the great civilizations like the Egyptians, Romans, and Mayans, there are many more that remain shrouded in mystery. Today, we delve into the enigmatic world of 10 lost civilizations that you might never have heard of. Imagine an ancient city nestled in the dense forests of the Amazon, built by a civilization whose name, culture, and fate remain largely unknown. This is the story of the Amazonian civilization. Recently discovered through satellite imaging, a network of geometric shapes suggests the presence of an intricate society that thrived in harmony with the rainforest thousands of years ago. Despite their disappearance, the sophistication of their agricultural systems challenges our understanding of early human innovation. Shifting our gaze to Europe, we encounter the Cucuteni-Trypillian culture, which flourished between 5500 and 2750 BC in what is now Ukraine, Moldova, and Romania. These people constructed some of the largest settlements in Neolithic Europe. Remarkably, they would periodically burn their own villages, only to rebuild them later. The reasons behind this peculiar ritual remain a mystery, as does the eventual decline of their civilization. Across the vast expanse of the African continent, the land of Punt was known to the ancient Egyptians as a center of trade and wealth. Despite its fame, the exact location of Punt remains a subject of scholarly debate. The richness of its resources, particularly incense and myrrh, endowed it with a mythical status. Yet, as trade routes shifted, Punt disappeared from history, leaving only the tantalizing accounts found in Egyptian records. Journeying to the distant Pacific, we find the Lapita culture, ancestors of the Polynesians, who navigated the ocean with extraordinary skill. Spanning from Melanesia to Tonga and Samoa, their pottery, stamped with intricate designs, marks their legacy. The Lapita culture laid the foundations for future Polynesian societies, but the reasons for their dispersal across such vast distances continue to intrigue historians. Returning to the Middle East, the Ubaid civilization predates the famous Sumerians and is regarded as a precursor to the Mesopotamian cultures. Existing around 6500 to 3800 BC, the Ubaid people developed early forms of communal living, pottery, and temple architecture. Despite these advancements, much of their culture remains obscured by the sands of time. From the heartlands of Asia, the enigmatic Indus Valley civilization represents one of the most sophisticated urban societies of the ancient world. Known for their advanced urban planning and enigmatic script, this civilization thrived around 2500 BC. Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, two of its primary cities, reveal a society that valued cleanliness and order. Yet their sudden decline and abandonment have puzzled archaeologists for decades. On the rugged shores of the Mediterranean lies the island of Sardinia, home to the Nuragic civilization. Existing from the 18th century BC until Roman conquest, the Nuragic people left behind mysterious stone towers known as nuraghes. These structures, whose purposes remain debated, offer glimpses into a unique culture isolated from the mainland. In Central America, the Olmec civilization preceded the Maya and Aztecs, thriving from 1500 to 400 BC. Known for their colossal head sculptures, the Olmecs laid much of the groundwork for subsequent Mesoamerican cultures. Yet the disappearance of their cities and the reasons behind their collapse remain elusive. To the icy expanses of North America, the Dorset culture flourished across the Arctic from 500 BC to AD 1500. Renowned for their artistic carvings and mystical beliefs, they vanished as the Inuit migrated eastwards. Their disappearance is often attributed to environmental changes, but the full story is lost to time. Lastly, we turn to the enigmatic Rapa Nui civilization of Easter Island. Famous for the iconic moai statues, the people of Rapa Nui developed a complex society on one of the most remote islands on Earth. The collapse of their society, often attributed to overexploitation of resources and European contact, is a poignant reminder of the fragility of human endeavors. As we reflect on these lost civilizations, we are reminded of the vastness of human history and the countless narratives that remain untold. Each civilization offers a unique window into our past, challenging our understanding and beckoning us to delve deeper into the mysteries of antiquity. Though they may no longer exist in their entirety, their legacies continue to shape our world, whispering tales of innovation, adaptation, and survival.